Hello, I'm talking to you. Hello. I'm talking to you now.
What is it? How many times have I told you to leave me alone? What the hell is your problem? Oh, now it's obvious I hate you, right? This should explain to you why you shouldn't come close to me anytime. What is your problem? I have told you severally, leave me alone. Eh? This is the last time I'm going to warn you. You're lucky is what I'm carrying. The next time I'll pour acid on you. That is a baptism for you to have common sense. Nonsense. You got time, loser.
You're feeling better today, right?
Yes, I am.
Have you called Amara?
Which Amara?
Your Amara, of course.
Why do you ask?
Bro, you know this girl was here throughout yesterday? Waiting to see you. To no avail.
But I told the maid to tell her to go. That I do not want to see her.
That's weird. Like, how do you expect her to take that? You know how much that girl loves you, right?
Love is the least thing on my mind now.
I perfectly understand exactly how you feel. Okay?
No, you don't. Because if you do, you won't stand here and be talking about Amara this, Amara that. Do you know what I passed through in that cell? Sleeping in the cell with those boys that respect me a lot. Tell me how I'm going to face them and command respect again. No, tell me.
That little man actually messed up with you. I mean, with all of us.
I've already planned what I'm going to do to him. I'm going to give it back to him in 1,000 folds. I am going to mess him up.
Bro, I am right behind you. I mean, solidly behind you. I still insist you check on Amara. You know, you can just give her a call.
Do you want some? You want to drink?
Of course, no. That's not my brand.
Please stop talking about Amara this. I don't want to hear that.
But that last parole na wrong show. I swear, na wrong show. See how that guy fall Prince's hand, bata bata. You don't see him? Yeah?
My guy, don't go there. Don't even go there. I don't want to talk about it.
Shango, what do you expect? That guy has the real power, both political power. Eh? The prince is just a ceremonial name. There's no power attached to the title.
He dey hear this man.
Listen to me, guys. If that senator's son will be left to go free, well, I trust the prince. I know what he can do. It's not yet over. One day or the over. How about this game? I trust the prince.
I dey tell you, Udoka small. You dey hear the top power. Now we get the power now.
Oh, you saw it.
Now the royal power we get. Forget federal power. Eh?
So you really have to do this for me. It's either you do it yourself or you look for someone else that will do it. But I will pay the person. Yes, I'll give the person money.
Just to know her house.
See, to know her house, to know things about her, who is her boyfriend, what does she do, where she stays, you know, gather information about somebody, where she normally goes, stuff like that. It's very important, I need it.
It's okay, I'll get one of my boys on the site to do it for me.
Okay.
I'll get back to you before the weekend.
Oh, it's all right. That will be.
You can trust me on that.
What exactly is going on? Is there something you know that I do not know and you have refused to tell me that which you know? What is it?
I should be the one to tell me.
No! You should be the one talking to me. My prince, this is not the you that I met. This is not the man I fell in love with. I call you on the phone, you don't take my calls. Even when you manage to call me back, you tell me you're in a meeting and you're going to call me later, which you never do. What's going on? Listen, I am a woman, and things like this affects me. I just need to know what is happening. Have I done something wrong?
There comes a time in a man's life when you fight a battle of existence. You need to fight the battle to win, or you lose out of life. And for a man to fight that battle, you have to drop every distractions and focus on how to win your enemy. I need to know if you're with me on this battle or you're against me or you're a distraction. Just choose a path.
I need to understand where this is coming from. What battle are you talking about?
She doesn't even know the battle standing before me face to face. And you claim to love me.
Listen, my prince. The only battle I know is that of you and the senator's son. Which, if you ask, I will tell you it is not a battle. Because not all battles are worth fighting.
Someone who despises me, despises my rights, my heritage, my throne. And you're here telling me that the battle is not worth fighting. What are you talking about?
Listen, two wrongs cannot make a right. That is my point. My prince, let the gods of this land, let nature, let the supremacy of all deities that instituted this throne on you fight for you and not you fighting for them.
I am not going to allow any gods or any kind of deity to fight for me. I will fight for my pride.
How?
Tell me if you're with me on this battle or you want to stand on your lane. Apart from that, let me be.
I don't know what exactly I have done so bad. He doesn't want me anymore. He doesn't want me to come anywhere around him. What wrong have I done? Why is this happening to me?
Mara, please don't conclude yet. You know he is having a hard time now. Just give him a little time, he will come back to his senses.
Is that the reason he told me to my face that I am a distraction to his battles?
He said that?
Exactly what he said to me. He is not ready to fight for our love. Instead, he is focused on winning this battle. Ichoma, do you think he's actually doing this? I mean, he's using this as an excuse to leave me after all these years?
No, I don't think so. Listen, I know he might have said hurtful words to you. But, like I said earlier, do not conclude yet. Please. It's too early to start concluding.
What do you want me to say? What exactly am I supposed to say? I feel...
Well done, no?
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my father's house?
This is the wrong time for me to be here. Maybe I should go and come back.
Go and come back to see who? Do you have a family member here? Who are you coming back to see?
You, Amara, you of course.
Goodness me. Yaodoka, what exactly have I done to you? I am asking you, what have I done to you? Why wouldn't you just leave me alone? Am I the only girl in this village? You are the cause of my predicament. You are the reason I am sad and hurt. I don't know why you keep following me about. I have told you I don't want anything to do with you. Why wouldn't you just leave me alone?
I don't understand. Why are you being paranoid?
You don't understand. It's fine. I'll make you understand. It's simple. You know what? Have a seat. I'll go in there and get you a glass of cold water and explain everything to you. Sit down. Just wait for me here.
I mean, what's going on? Is that the way she treats strangers? Or am I hated that much?
Okay. Leave now. Nabao. Nabapo.
No, I don't understand.
Oga, go! What do you want to understand? Go! Naba!
No, wait, it's not fair.
Okay.
Amara! Hey!
Amara, since you wouldn't leave me alone. Amara! Mama, I have told this man separately to let him be. He wouldn't leave me alone. What is wrong with you? Leave me alone! Get out of my father's compound. Out! Leave this place! Amara! Amara! Leave me alone, Mama! Hey!
Amara! Hey!
Amara! Go, Buzala! Amara! What's the young man done to you, Amara? Let him leave me alone. I have said it before. Leave me alone. Hey! Amara, let me see him here again. Let me see you anywhere. Hey! Hey! I said my brother can just leave me alone. He wouldn't listen. Am I the only girl in this village? Hey! Mama, please. Mama, Maka, because leave me alone.
Amara, I will be truthful. You went too far. You did.
What's the meaning of this, Ichoma? What's the meaning of this? What do you mean I went too far? No, he should have waited. He should have waited to see what I would do to him today.
Makagini Kwano, Why?
You're asking me why?
Is it the prince that is causing you heartbreak?
Of course he is the cause of my problem. He's the cause of every problem I am having right now. He detained and arrested the prince. Is that not a problem? Now he's coming after me, trying to use me to get back at the prince. You do the calculation. Can't you see? Can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Am I the only girl in this village? Why is he coming after me? I have told him severally to leave me alone, yet he wouldn't leave me alone. You do the calculation.
Calm down. Well, look on why you may not be too sure. You may not be too sure.
I'm just waiting for him to come back here again. Since he would not use his ears to listen, the next time he comes back to this place, well done. Is anybody working in the farm here? Are we cultivating cassava here?
Take it easy.
Don't see.
Take it easy.
Don't let me put my anger on you right now, because just this your advice. Just keep it to yourself.
You better not.
Keep it to yourself.
You don't like the truth. You don't like the truth.
Come and go to your house. Now, now you don't have a house. Is this your house? Go home now.
Why does she hate me so much? Yet, in my dream, she offered me a bottle of water. Why? Why? What is going on? What am I missing? I have taken more insult from her that I wouldn't have taken half of it from any other person, all in the name of love. Is this truly love, or am I just fooling myself around? I'm just confused.
I don't know what else to do.
She still won't hear you out.
She poured water on me instead.
Sir, some people are like that. You see, I actually did same when my husband was coming for my hand in marriage newly. I never loved him, but he didn't give up. He kept keeping on, and today I can't go a day without him. Our love is so strong, so powerful that we are the envy of many. So love sometimes comes in that way. But if you search the depth of your heart and can say of a truth that your heart truly yearns for this girl, then don't give up. For in due time, you will reap the fruit of the labor of love. Please. Your dinner is served.
Tell me those words instead. They are the ones satisfying my hunger at the moment.
Sir, believe me, love always wins.
My prince, what do we stand to gain in this mission?
Didn't you hear that the prince was arrested and detained in the police station alongside with my boys? The boys that respects me so much. My own boys. I was arrested and detained not because I am doing drugs or I was caught with some criminal acts or something, but because I was fighting for the reputation of the tradition of this land. Didn't you hear that?
The news is everywhere.
You see, the senator's son once told me that being a king or a prince in today's world is just a ceremonial title without portfolio. That the main power is with the elected officials in power, whether old or new. You see, that boy do not have any regards for my father and I, just because he thinks that the father is the recent senator.
I will not lie to you, my prince. I feel so bad. Yes.
You know what? I want to get back at him. I want him to be humiliated. I want him to be beaten by the boys, by the vigilante boys. I want them to strip him naked in the village square. We can only achieve that through what I've just told you.
My prince, that is not an easy task. It's a risky one at that.
Thank God he said it's not an easy task, but it's also good that it's not impossible.
My prince, don't forget that we took an oath with your father, the king, to uphold the peace and the unity of this kingdom in the truth and fairness, my prince.
The same of four will protect you. And that is same office that you represent and took the offer with you has been despised. It has been despised. I want you to be with me. Stand by me and fight for the dignity of the throne of this land.
This is power to this is power to
Bakasi, my own is to do what I am asked to do. But the truth is this. It is very, very wrong. Or danger.
See, let me tell you. It's not just that it's wrong. It's not just that it's wrong. But what the senator's son did, it is an evil act. That is what they call arumelu. Arumelu. Evil. That's an evil act. I must tell the truth.
Bakasi, let me ask you now. When do two wrongs turn to make right? Do you pay evil for evil? Don't let them push you to do what your conscience will condemn you afterwards.
Give me a cigar. Give me a cigar. See, Oberi, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Is it not the same thing that I told you? I've thought about this before now. Yes. If you can remember vividly, I told you about this. Yes. Don't forget that it is not the government or senators or any of the politicians out there that gave us this job. Don't forget about that. Don't forget it. Okay? Don't forget it. Let me tell you. It is our Igwe and the council of the elders present in this village. Anybody that tries it, my brother, see, oh, you know how they be now. Come here, what about the man you gele by the be,
Okay then. If you say so, I'm good to go.
Huh? You're good to go.
Bakasi, I did your back.
Oh, Belle.
I did good.
Did I hear you say you are good to go?
I'm with you. Bakasi, Baba. You're a very big guy.
You see, don't worry.
No, Lele.
No, now is there. Action, on action, eh?
Muting.
Rapid.
Naturally.
Not by this. This we'll use this based on if you claim you have a DHD. But the other way around.
Now where shut us? Now guys we already.
Obele.
Because senior man.
Obele.
I got friend days now.
You are good to go.
I'm good to go.
So will you be needing any other time?
Susan,
Yes, sir.
can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Would it be nice I go back to her house after my last experience with her?
No, boss. I advise you meet with her friend instead. I believe she will tell you all that is going on. Then afterwards, you will be able to know your next line of action.
Thank you.
Welcome, boss.
Please, there's something I really want you to help me do. And I will be eternally grateful if you'll be able to do it for me.
It depends on the kind of help you need. If it is something I can do.
Yeah, I know it's something you can do.
Can I hear it?
It's about your friend, Amara.
What about her?
I don't know why she hates me so much. I don't know why. And she doesn't want to give me the opportunity to express myself, to tell her what I feel and how I feel about her. She doesn't want to see me eye to eye, as if we've known each other for a very long time. I don't know. What's her problem?
You mean you don't know?
I don't know. So tell me.
No, for real, you don't know?
Yes, for real. I don't know.
Okay. Since you said you don't know, let me tell you. She said you're too proud. Too full of yourself. Starch. You are insulting the Igwe of this kingdom and his son, the prince, because of your father's political position. Instead of you to use your position to help this community, you are using it against this community. To the extent of you arresting the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom and detaining him in the cell. For all this, she hates you with passion.
Well, let me correct one impression. Not that I'm really too proud, but it's just money. They got it too much. But it's okay. Really?
I am telling you the truth. In fact, she's not the only one that sees you as a proud person in this community. A lot of people, sees you in the same light.
It's alright. It's okay.
Ogugo, can I go?
Yeah, you can go.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
When I was thinking that I have the people of this community on my side, I was actually trying to prove to them that I worth more to them than the prince and his ceremonial father. I don't know, I was creating enemies for myself. Yes. Why wouldn't they hate me? Why won't she hate me? When I disregard the only man everybody in this community respect. The only man they all tremble and fall at his feet. Why wouldn't they hate me? How wrong I have been all this while. But it's not yet over. No, it's not yet over. I will make a change. Yes. The same way I made it open that I have no respect for the king and his son, the same way I will make my change open for everyone to see that I am sorry for everything I have done in the past. And to also prove to Amara that there is nothing couldn't do for her love.
It is not a mere dream. It is a message that must be taken serious. I've always told you to leave this village and go back to Abuja. I don't understand what you're doing in this village without adequate security. Go back to Abuja, son. Now, look at that dream.
Father, I still have an ongoing project.
Are you the site engineer? Or don't you have a site manager? You can always control things on the phone. I'm no longer comfortable with your long stay in the village. Without any adequate security, without any orderly. And you're going about as if everybody loves you. Son, they hate us. They hate rich people. We don't need to give room to them.
Father, please. Please, Father. Just permit me to have one more month to correct some kind of impression.
Impression? What kind of impression do you want to correct?
Prince and I...
Hey, that's the reason. That is the reason why you must leave the village now. They are angry with you and they can do anything to get back at you.
Father, please. Just permit me this one more month. I want to make amends. I want to be friends with the royal family, with Igwe and the prince.
Hear yourself talk. Since you have been a little boy, you've always had this gift of getting messages through dreams. This land is not safe for you. Why do you want to risk your own life, son?
I will call the IG. I will request for special security aid since you won't let me use yours. They will be here for me within this period of time. After all that, we will not leave back to Abuja.
Don't talk to me as if I don't know this process. They take time, son. It will take time.
I will call IG myself. I will do that. I will request that myself. In less than 2 days, they will be here. Father, please. I really need to correct this impression, please.
So, IJ, please. I want you to help me tell Amara that I am now a changed person. I am ashamed of myself after what happened the other time. Please, help me talk to her. Please help me tell Amara that I'm a changed person. Fighting the prince, it's not the ultimate. Someone whom I ought to respect and fighting him. Please. I'm really feeling so bad for what I did. I tell you, to prove my love for her, I will go to the palace and beg for forgiveness. Please, help me talk to her. Tell her that I'm now a changed person. Whatever that happened before will not repeat itself again.
And I know you will do it. Please.
Okay, I will do it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you can have this.
For who?
Well, Imana, it's just for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll have to be on my way.
Okay, but if you don't mind, I can drop you off, yeah?
All right.
Okay.
What is so special about Amara? What does she have that no other girl has in this village? From the king's son to the senator's son. What is attracting these prominent men to her, even after she had a son outside wedlock? Look at me. I am beautiful. But no, they won't see me. Me that is still chassis. They all have their eyes on her. Some people are very lucky, sure. Mama, where is Amarachi?
Amarachi? She went to the palace this morning. Up till now, she's not yet back. Oh, look at her coming.
Thank God. Amarachi, give me. Why are you like this? Hope there is no problem. Mara, you are crying.
I don't know exactly what I have done to deserve this kind of treatment. I don't know what I have done.
What is it?
The prince doesn't want to see me anymore. I don't know what's wrong I have done to him. I don't know if he's acting based on the humiliation he got from Udoka, or if there's something else to this. I can't just tell.
Amara, are you sure the prince truly loves you?
That's the same question I've been asking myself. You know, something just tells me that all the prince wanted was just to have a taste of me. And now that he has gotten what he wants, he's satisfied and just wants to join with me.
Amara, I am not sure Ubaka truly loves you. When you see a man that is in love, you will know. Okay, take a look at Udoka. After everything that you have done to him, he still comes for you. In fact, he was the one that dropped me off here a few minutes ago. Yes. He said I should tell you he is now a changed person, all for your sake. And he promised never to fight with the prince again. Yes. He said that to prove the love he has for you, that he will go to the palace and apologize. He said he feels so ashamed of everything now. Nah, why not give him a chance?
Biko, wait a minute. You mean Udoka said these things to you?
I'm telling you. Let's give him a try, please.
What is it?
You want to stop and search?
Stop and search?
Yeah.
That is not supposed to be your job. That's the work of Nigerian police force.
Oga?
And that work is on emergency cases when they have a vital information on the crime. So it's not your work in any way.
You are the authorized secretary of this community. You had an information. So kindly open your boots. Let's see what you have inside.
Authorized security. Excuse me?
Okay, grandma cannot know. Open your boots.
Like, you don't know me.
Oga, I'm new horo. Where in Jiru game? Me pay these boots.
Okay, go and open the boots.
Over.
Come on!
What is it?
He's getting a human head, though. Yes, sir.
Hey. Sit. Sit. Human head.
You told you I saw.
You must be a ritualist.
Yes. Who put this rubbish here?
Who are you asking the question?
I'm asking you people, who put this in here?
Young man, you have to remain silent. You are going to the station.
Wait, let me even come.
Call from him! Give this one! What do you mean by that? Give this one!
What rubbish?
Come on, get down! Get down! Get down! Come on, get down!
My beautiful sister.
Big brother. One and only.
Let's make merry
Yes.
and enjoy ourselves.
That's good.
Wow. Life is good, you know?
Yeah, we trust a good life. Cheers. Long life and more action. Because Nebugini Odogun Woki.
Odogun Etogonogo.
Dioji, where mama woke.
We got to win here.
Oh, dog woke oma. Woke kibia.
You know what? What a clean wa sulugede. Amaro na sulugede.
The little man.
Onye metukuni wagu aka nodo. Modendo. Momulangu. Who the hell is he?
Omokanibu the real lion. Eh? The lion himself. Bro, the news is everywhere.
I know.
Eh? You really changed it for that little man. In fact, you sent him back to the kingdom of commoners where he came from. He came from the gutter. Shouldn't come talking about being a senator's son, my foot. My God, you are the incoming king. Bro, I'm so proud.
My sister.
I couldn't be happier, bro.
My beautiful sister.
My bro. Oh, dogu. Torongologo dioji mama okay. My brother.
Sorry, sir. Madam says she has been calling you and you're not taking your calls.
I don't even know where my phone is.
She said it's of utmost importance. Please take the call.
Hello there. Hey? Facebook. Internet. Hey? Uduka, my son. It is a lie. It's a lie from the pit of hell. Hey? Hey. I'm finished. Okay. Okay. I've heard. Please, go get my phones. Immediately.
Okay, sir.
What nonsense? What humiliation? Hi. This is... shit. Take my phones. Take my phones.
Sir, here the phones.
Be calm. Yes. Mr. Commissioner. Yes. Oh, you've been calling my lines? I was with my phone. Yes. I just got the information. Yes, and that's why I'm calling you right now. Yes. Get your boys, get your men over there. Let them arrest this situation immediately. Yes. It is a setup. I know exactly where it came from. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. I appreciate it. What nonsense.
Should I?
No. What nonsense. So this is how they want to play the game. Vicious. Listen, I want to reassure you. Hold on. You see this calling me? Sean, sir! Sean! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course. Yes, sir. Internet? Nothing, sir. I have no idea, sir. No? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sean, sir! There is a problem. The vigilante group are parading the senator's son as a ritualist on the streets in the village. They said they caught him with a human head in his car truck. Now the CP just called me that I should go and arrest the vigilante group. He said he's sending down his troop from the state headquarters. Now before the state headquarters group gets here, I should go and calm the situation down. I want you to go and get the boys ready. Now, go, move! Yes, sir! Move! What is wrong with this vigilante group? We had an agreement!
I told you guys that Prince Obaka that I know is going to strike. What is going on now?
You're right. You see, the strike is deadly. This one, he enter. You see, Udoka has been messed up big time. Yes, I know with his connections he's going to come out, but the damage, you see, I like what they did to him. The damage has been done. And it's everywhere on social media.
Power. Fear men in power. Fear men in power.
The prince has misfired again. And this time around, it's going to be deadly. Trust me.
You see, I told you, we have federal power and we have royal power.
I believe in royal power.
Show up.
Bakasi!
Sir.
What is going on here?
Sir, this young man, we caught him red-handed with human hair. Yes. This exhibit here. Human hair.
So?
Sir, that's human head.
Bakasi, what was our arrangement? That once you have any suspected criminal or suspect, you hand them over to us. Come in! And your job ends there! Was that not our arrangement?
Yes, it was our arrangement.
So what did you do? You paraded an innocent first-class citizen as a ritualist! Bakasi, this era of internet, this era of social media, you paraded an innocent first-class citizen as a ritualist! Bakasi, you've entered. You've entered. Officer!
Bakasi, I told you.
Arrest them and seize their weapons.
Drop your weapon. Oh yeah, move. On the go back. Move. Hey, move.
Mr. Udoka, you are safe now. I am taking you to the hospital for treatment. Come.
What have you heard? Have you confirmed it?
No, there is a very big problem for the prince.
Ozokwa, big problem. What is it?
The worst has happened.
Tell me what's the problem?
One of the vigilante boys has confessed that it was the prince that sent them.
Hey, Mama. Hello, Mama. Hey! Hello!
Omuabu Prince.
Hey! Sorry, Ndo. Are you certain about this information?
I am very sure. Even the commissioner of police has made a live broadcast on Facebook. that his boys are on their way to arrest the prince. They say that Udoka Nwamado is not a ritualist, that it was all a setup from the prince.